How to swap players in Dream League Soccer 2026. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to swap players in Dream League Soccer, first of all launch open the game on your device. Once you're inside this page, select any player you want to swap and then on the left hand side menu, you'll see a swap button. Tap on it. Now choose a replacement player. Tap on the player you want to bring in and then click on swap on the left hand side menu. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to swap between players. Just make sure the player is suitable for that role to maintain good performance. Swapping players might seem small, but it can totally change how your team performs on the pitch. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.